There are all these NordVPN commercials, but they never tell you you can try without paying a single cent. A NordVPN free trial can give you months of use at no cost, and in this video, I'll explain exactly how to get NordVPN for free. And in advance, this method involves using the 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you want to save on a subscription, check the link in the description for the best NordVPN deal. But first, there's the Google Play Store free trial. It's only 3 days and it's primarily for Android users. But what if you use a different device? Don't worry, there's a trick to how to get NordVPN free trial on any device. You can use an Android emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player to download NordVPN and start the trial that way. And after that first confirmation, you can use any other device instead. Just remember to cancel the recurring subscription before you get charged through the Google Play Store. As long as you do it in time, there are no questions asked. Even if you don't cancel in time, remember there's a 30-day money-back guarantee starting from the initial purchase date. You just need to request a refund for the NordVPN 30-day trial within that time frame. Even if the refund process goes past the 30-day mark, as long as you requested it within that period, they'll refund you in full. To request a refund, there are two ways. First, contact the NordVPN support team via live chat or email. Second, if you got your subscription through the Apple App Store, you'll have to contact Apple directly for a refund, since they manage all payments for iOS devices. Just be careful, their response time could be much longer than NordVPN's customer support team. In any case, I recommend getting NordVPN through the link in the description or this QR code to avoid dealing with Apple or Google shenanigans. You'll also get a much better deal that way, saving you money even if you plan to request the refund. But 33 days is not the limit. If you refer your friends and they subscribe, each friend will get extra months of NordVPN for free, and you'll get 3 months. That's the best free VPN trick I can think of. So you'd better make sure to refer a friend who's in desperate need of unrestricted streaming, a secure connection, or scam call protection and phishing defense. NordVPN can provide all of that practically for free. NordVPN is one of the most versatile VPNs on the market. The things I listed are just the tip of the iceberg. I really like that I can access over 224 locations worldwide essentially for free, while maintaining my online privacy, encrypting my connection, and getting other security and privacy benefits I would otherwise miss out on. To summarize, you can get NordVPN free of charge for 33 days with minimal effort, and with enough willing friends, that time span can quickly turn into years of free subscription extensions. I hope you can use these tips and tricks to their full advantage, and let me know if you found the discounts in the description useful. I always find the best deals for you, so I'd be glad if they helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.